Before you buy Camtasia, there's something most people don't realize. There are actually multiple plans now, and even a couple of free options, and picking the wrong one can easily mean you either overpay or miss features you actually need. So let me break it down in a simple way so you can quickly figure out which one makes sense for you. Camtasia Starter is the cheapest option at around $39 per year. It's mainly for screen recording and basic use. You can capture your screen in high quality, but if you actually try to export edited videos, you'll run into a watermark. So honestly, this one is more like a try-it-out plan than something you'd use seriously for YouTube or content creation. Then you've got Camtasia Essentials, which is around $179 per year. This is where the real editing experience starts. You get the full editor without watermarks, so you can actually create proper videos. It includes things like multi-source recording, basic editing tools, effects, and speech-to-text features. For most people, especially YouTubers, educators, or anyone making tutorials, this is usually the safest and most practical choice. After that is Camtasia Create, which is about $249 per year. This one adds AI features on top of Essentials. So you get things like AI text-based editing, automatic removal of filler words, script generation, and a bunch of AI voices. Basically, it's designed to save time if you're creating content regularly and want faster editing. Then at the top is Camtasia Pro, which is around $599 per year. This is the full package. It includes everything from the lower plans, plus AI avatars, video translation tools, and access to a huge stock asset library. This one is really more for agencies, teams, or serious content creators who need everything in one place. Now here's where it gets interesting. There are actually free ways to use Camtasia too. There's Camtasia Online, which runs in your browser. It's pretty simple but useful if you just want quick videos. You can record in 1080p, do basic trimming, make short videos up to about 5 minutes, and share them without a watermark. It also comes with templates, so it's good for quick content or simple explainers. And then there's the desktop Camtasia editor free version. This one gives you the full software experience. You can record in up to 4K, do full multi-track editing, and there's no limit on recording length. The only catch is that if you export videos, they will have a watermark unless you upgrade. So if you're trying to decide, it's actually pretty simple. Starter is only for testing. Essentials is the best balance for most people. Create is for faster AI-assisted workflows. And Pro is for professionals or teams who need everything. If you're on a Mac, don't worry. Camtasia is available for macOS as well. You can download it directly from the official TechSmith website, and it works almost the same as the Windows version. You still get the main screen recording and editing features like recording in high quality, trimming clips, adding effects, and exporting videos. So if you're using a MacBook or iMac, you're fully covered. Just keep in mind some features and updates may roll out slightly differently between Mac and Windows, but for most users, especially if you're making YouTube videos or tutorials, the experience is basically the same. So whether you're on Windows or Mac, you can follow the same pricing choices and free trial options I explained earlier. Nothing really changes in terms of plans or how you get started. If you're planning to buy, it's always worth checking the link in the description because sometimes there's a discount applied there, and it can save you a bit compared to the regular pricing. And yeah, that's basically everything you need to know before choosing a Camtasia plan. If you're serious about creating better videos, don't overthink it. Go ahead and try Camtasia using the link in the description, and if this video helped you, like it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.